Morning, people. Can you hear me? Am I late to the party? Hello, hello. Morning? There you go. All right, so I was doing my own sound test, so I apologize about that. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning. Can you see me as well? I'm just trying to change the band on my watch, so hold on. There you go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I was reading all the chat, it's just like there's a lot of drama going on, you know. All right, I guess we're ready. Yeah, very good morning, North Carolina. How you doing? So today, before you ask me like what is it that we're gonna do, well, basically, just go ahead and follow my trades. I'll trade live today with my fake pocket option account. I'm gonna be back in just a little bit. Hold on, I just gotta take a pill. But let me know where you're saying hi from, all right? Just want to know exactly where you're saying hi from. All right. All right, people. London, New York, Slovenia, Hungary, Nigeria, Florida, Chicago, United Arab Emirates, Chicago, Nigeria, Costa Rica, how you doing? Nigeria, Germany, Mauritius, Nigeria, Trinidad, Maryland, upstate New York, Lithuania, Romania, Cambodia, South Africa, Moscow, how you doing? Welcome, people. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Look, this is what we're gonna be doing today. But before, oh, we're 107. That's awesome. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the likes. As usual, what's going on with my camera though? Hold on. Hold on. Sure, I got some message or whatever. There you go. All right. Remember, as usual, part of the promotional video, right? If in case you're not part of the BLW Binary Master app, you want to follow signals, remember, trusted BLW signals group is BLW Binary Master app. Besides the signals that I share on Telegram, this one is also super important. So I see a lot of people from the Telegram channel. You guys are here, so welcome, welcome, welcome. So what we're going to be doing today is that we are going to be trading. I have the chat, by the way, for those of you wondering where's the chat, I have it right here as an extra pop-up. So what we're going to be doing today is that we're going to be trading. All right, we're going to try to find some good trades to trade. And the reason of the name is basically just to bully people from yesterday, you know. There were like, there was someone who said, hey, you have double 69s on your balance. It's fake. So that's a $69,000, but some people are not good at math. Yeah. Play the piano. Nah, yeah, not today. I'm not good at it, honestly. Chris, when will you start the Forex channel? Look, I have some sort of, I don't know. I'm hesitating about it. But basically it's because I might just upload Forex videos here and keep some more live streams. I'm becoming very lazy when it comes to recording videos, editing and stuff. So I feel a lot better with streams. So I might just continue making streams for Forex and binary. All right. Giveaway, no, not today. I have a good strategy, but not starter capital. Yeah, well, you're gonna have to save money by having a job or something like that. All right. Yep. 30-second delay is crazy. Look, what we're gonna be doing today is that yes, I'm gonna find some trading opportunities, but more importantly, we're gonna just monitor one pair, wait for the trade, and then enter. All right. So we're not just gonna be like crazy all the time. We're gonna play like 4, maybe 6 positions today for 1 minute. But we're just gonna analyze one pair. Like for instance, right now, I'm gonna be using OTC on Quotex. By the way, let me just go ahead and refresh the page once. Let me just go ahead and refresh it one more time, twice. Let me click on this button that says, this, which shows my account. The demo account is at 25,914. The real account is 69,067, $69,069. If I click on the top up button, I guess, yeah, it's gonna ask me for Bitcoin or whatever. So just for people who actually think that, my account is fake, that's the reason of the name, all right? But we're just gonna forget about it. So this is the first thing that we're gonna do. We're gonna choose a pair on OTC and Pocket Option. If you're not trading with Pocket Option, see if your chart is the same as mine, but I don't think so. And we're gonna choose a pair that we're gonna analyze, and then we're actually gonna wait for a trade. All right. All right. I don't see anything though. All right. So I have nothing. Let's just find some other pairs. All right. I guess we're going to have to go through the real market. I don't have a problem with that. All right. Euro CHF, no. This one. No, not this one. Euro USD. So we're going to use both OTC or not OTC. It doesn't matter. As long as we got good payouts. So we're going to get rid of the lowest payouts. 88. All right, cool. Let's see. Let me find the pair, and I'm going to tell you what the pair is going to be, all right? What is this? All right. Oh, the new pairs are in this area. All right, I'm sorry. Hold on. We had news all morning. And so honestly, I see this one, AUDNZD, which I'm going to move to the top. And then I saw another one, but which one was it? No, not this one. I saw another one that was becoming a downtrend. Did I miss that one? All right. So these are the only two that we have as possible options. All right. Euro USD. Remember, we're going to be trading with the SMA 50 with the stochastic by following the 50 level and the stochastic, the RSI and the stochastic oscillator 1433, 80 and 20 in levels. All right. Go through the settings on the previous streaming actually that I have, 1 hour and 15 minutes or something like that. And there I explained pretty much every strategy, we don't trade CHF pairs. Let me see if I got questions. What broker do you use for Forex? I use IC Markets. That's the one that I use. And it works like a charm. All right. Shows the BLW signals group. Which one? The Forex one? GBP USD. Some people are saying GBP USD. So we're going to check it out. Oh yeah, this one looks good. So these are the three pairs that I actually have. So, and let me just get my pen to explain this. Well, we need to wait is for, and here we need to wait for the RSI to go back to this level and then drop. Same with the stochastic. And when that happens, this is going to happen as well. We need the moving average to stay away a little bit from the candlesticks. Okay, this is with AUD and ZD. And with Euro USD and GBP USD, we need the opposite. This, and this, and that this moving average stays slightly away. All right, so that's why we need to wait. What is your net worth? Moving average is 50, simple moving average. Moving average settings. Is it okay with Quad-X? Yeah, you can do Quad-X. MVA, what is MVA? Moving average? 50, simple moving average. AUD, NZD, not on Quad-X. I'm not sure. I'm not using Quad-X right now. Is it available for Europe or only USA? Which one? The group is available worldwide. Why OTC and not normal? OTC is highly more manipulated. We're trading both. So it depends on what is it that we get first. I honestly don't see anything else that could be safe, you know? I see change in trendings, which is good, but we can't trade during the change of the trend. We need to wait for the price to consolidate. So we're gonna be patient. I want to learn the terms put and call. Take my academy, binaryoptionsforbeginners.com. There are so much videos. Would you provide direct link to the strategy video at the end of the session? Yeah. If you go to my channel and you go to the live videos, like, let's see, you go to my actual channel right here, and then you go to live. I have a streaming that is called Best Binary Option Strategies of 2023. Check it out. It's 1 hour and 15 minutes. And in there, I share this and every other strategy. All right. All right, start to get ready on the three pairs because the three of them are doing the movements that we need, but probably is going to happen within 2-3 minutes. So just stay alert. All right. I'm going to try to read all the questions, but it's going to be kind of hard. How much time passed before you started earning binary options? Generic questions. We're going to ask questions only in regards to the session. All right. I might have another educational streaming because otherwise we could be, you know, like confused with the topics. But it took me around 8 to 10 months. Why don't you trade CHF? Because it doesn't respect any of the strategies. It simply doesn't. All right, get ready on this one. We needed to drop a little bit more. And there are a few things that I actually take in consideration when I place my position. It's not just simply because, I don't know, I think that's going to happen. I see also support and resistance levels. So if you notice, there's a strong support level here, but that can go all the way over here. As you can see, this is the resistance. So I would take this as my support level. So yes, the price might drop more, but it might even drop and break the RSI in order to get to this level. So we're going to wait and we're analyzing it. All right. On Euro USD is actually, I would say it's harder because, yeah, the support level is right here, but it might break it. Let's just wait. All right. This one is not giving us. So right now we're just focused on GBP USD and Euro USD. All right. I'm sorry that I'm not answering all the questions. You understand, right? Oh, IC Markets is available in Europe. It's not available in the US actually. I'm not in the US if you were confused. Moving average settings is just 50. 50 SMA. Yeah, there's a delay. So look, this right here might give us the first entry. We needed to drop a little bit more in 15 seconds. I don't think so. If it drops and touches the support line, we enter for the next candle, but it's not happening right now. If not, we're gonna wait for a new red candle that is actually gonna drop more, and then we're gonna enter. Like literally right now, we can enter at the middle of the candle, or you can wait for the next candle. Me, I'm gonna risk one entry at the middle of the candle. But the best entry time will be at the beginning of the next candle, okay? So wait for this candlestick to expire, and you're gonna enter the next one. You are wondering why, and why we didn't enter at the beginning of this one. Because there was a support level that was going to be touched, okay? Now, it's jumping back up, so don't enter on the next candle unless it's a red candle. If it's a red candle like is happening right now, enter for the next minute, okay? So I enter one trade that is actually in a loss right now. It's actually kind of tight, but I'm going to enter other one at the beginning of the candle. So I got two trades open. The first one, like I said, I enter on my own risk. So that's not the most important one, even if I win, it doesn't matter. But for learning purposes, I won this one. So for learning purposes, it was the new one, the one that probably you already entered. Let me know in the live chat if you entered this trade or not. All right. And again, explaining why this candle and not the other one. Is my entry lower? Oh, no, it's at the beginning. All right. Why this one and not the next one? This, even if it ends up red, we can enter the next one, the next candlestick. All right. And we can recover there. And one thing that we're going to do today is that we're going to enter, yes, at the touching of the RSI, but also at the cross of the stochastic. All right. I'm going to enter again on the beginning of this one, of the next one. All right. There you go. So I lost that one. It's fine. Completely fine. One thing. Oh, let me see your. This one is too far away. One thing that you need to completely understand as well is that you can never know exactly when the retraction is going to happen, but you can determine by the movement of the markets. Let me just go ahead and explain this trade. If you notice, the stochastic oscillator is far away. So this means that it can do this. This is the cross. So it will generate a big green candle. Obviously, we're talking about probabilities, right? We're not saying it's 100% guaranteed. If this one doesn't expire as a green candle, you guys can enter for the next one if you want to. All right. I'm entering myself, but that's because, I mean, that's the way I trade. But basically what I'm looking at is at the cross of the stochastic. This right here, we already lost it. If you're a beginner, it's okay. You don't have to trade anymore and you don't have to get crazy about it because sometimes you're going to lose them. That's fine. Okay. Be careful with the multiple entries. That's the reason why I'm telling you. All right. Now, what's going to happen right now? Well, hopefully, obviously, like again, this is based on probabilities. It's not 100% guaranteed. But what's the probability is that since right now the pup is starting, the stochastic oscillator will do this. If this is a red candle, don't enter anymore. All right. And it looks like it's going to be. But if this was a green candle right here, then that would have mean that we were going to cross the stochastic. So the power behind this specific strategy is that you can make money. Obviously, when all the criteria is actually respected, you can make money when the RSI is respected. And then when the price jumps, you can make money with the stochastic oscillator. As you can see right now, is about to cross. I'm not sure if you're looking at it. So there's got to be one green candle, which might happen right now. If this candle is green it will start the cross. So that means that the next candle is going to be a green one because it's after the cross. Does that make sense? But I don't think it's happening because there are too many red candles. This one never jumped back up. So we only have this one. Aldi Agaro says that I don't know anything about trading. You should teach me, you know. What's your YouTube channel? Can I see your profile? Oh, yeah, I can. Let's see your channel. Aldi Argo. All right, so you don't have a channel. Obviously, you don't have money. And most likely, you're not happy. So why are you here? Look, take a look at the actual cross right now that is happening on the stochastic. But like I said, if we don't follow a green candle, since this was a red, it doesn't matter if it's crossing. It's very likely that the price will actually drop more, like it's happening right now. All right. So we have to be very, you know, take a look at it. Now what we need to do is to wait for another period that is giving us options. Look, this one is looking good at the beginning of the next candle. Okay, it's actually respecting this support line, I guess. At the beginning of the next candle, we might enter a call position, or you can wait for it to go all the way to the support line. All right, it's really up to you. I'm entering at the beginning of this one, but then yeah. Okay, what's your moving average is 50. I'm here to learn how to make money from affiliate marketing. All right, so you're in the wrong channel. You kind of lost. And you kind of look bad, you know. You kind of look dumb. All right, so I'm just going to silence you because you don't know what you're doing. But, again, did anybody enter this one, by the way? This is GBP USD. I don't think I'm going to win this one, too. So I'm not having a good day today. But, I mean, I'm fine. Can you tell us the period of the moving average? Is 50. 50 simple moving average. All right. I don't think I'm going to continue entering because I see the change on trending happening on Euro USD, and Euro USD and GBP USD have very similar movements. So I'm not going to enter. I think the price might jump, but I'm not going to enter anymore. All right. So what we're going to do right now is that we're going to look for more pairs. That's it. I would stop if I was trading just myself. I would stop right now, but I'm going to continue just because I want to help you guys out. Or I want us to have fun, pretty much. All right. We're going to look for some crossovers. Euro USD and OTC is looking good for the next candlestick. So prepare. Yeah. With funded binary options broker, I don't think they will. The best time to enter would have been at the top of this one, you know. I'm not going to enter yet. I need the candlestick to expire touching the 50 RSI. GBP USD is now jumping. Probably, yeah. Yeah, I entered probably too soon. But if you're not sure, just don't trade. All right. I didn't feel sure, so I decided not to trade. This one, look, this one we're going to have an opportunity, but it's going to be on the cross of the stochastic. This is Euro USD OTC. Okay, OTC. But we can either wait for a jump to activate with the RSI or a drop in order to cross the stochastic. Both of them are good. If both of them happen, we're good to go. You're very welcome. 1 minute candles. Yep. 1 minute candles. What a beginner should learn first. Money management. All right. I'm going to enter at the beginning of this new candle. If I lose this trade, I'm going to have to switch a broker, you know. But hopefully that doesn't happen. Try trend line breakout. What do you mean? Yeah, I think I'm going to have to switch a broker. Binary or Forex, both are good. It's just that you need to learn how to use both of them or either, you know. And some people always ask me how. How I control my emotions, and it's just the way I'm doing it right now, and you guys to see it. I just trust my gut. All right, just let me take this call. Hold on. All right, sorry, I had a call. Um, let's see. Barely made it, but €1 USD. Good. Trading pocket option. I mean, I can trade in pocket option, but I don't want to lose money. Look, this would have been a good entry, but I wasn't really focused. Why? Because we entered this one because of the touch of the RSI, and the other one should have been for the cross. We missed it. That's completely fine. Are you guys learning something new today? The Quotex. I have Quotex just in case, but the thing is that I gotta go to a meeting, and you know, let me look for a new pair just so that I can continue answering questions. This one does look good. Euro GBP. This one never recovered. I don't trust these two pairs anymore. No. This one looks good. AUD JPY for the next candle. Hold on. Yeah, for the next candle of 1 minute. I'm not sure if you guys will get it because I was kind of late. But let's see. All right. If now you guys can use the crossover. Sorry. This one was fast. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna win it, but you know, sorry. You just lost 10K, actually 5K. And yeah, it's fine. Depends on your risk management. I'm okay losing it. Does it work on OTC? Yeah, I'm using OTC actually. Well, not in this pair, but I'm using it in the OTC and regular. Awesome with your USD. You want it. You want it. Awesome. How do you trade 2,000 in one trade? It depends on your balance. I think I can even trade with 3,000. Thank you for being my fan. What should we learn after that? After what? After money management, then a strategy. Price movement, technical analysis, fundamental, institutional. All right, so we want that one. And take a look. This would be a great entry, but I missed the right entry point. All right, I enter here, but the best time to enter in this trade would be the next candle. But there's one trick right here. There's one trick. And you got to learn this. It's super important. When you're going to enter after the cross on the stochastic, if you see a big candle like this one, and it not only touches the stochastic, but it completely crosses it, don't enter the next candle. Because these big red candles, basically what they do is that they combine the touching with the crossing, or the crossing and the after cross. Does that make sense? So be careful with those. Right now, the best time to trade will be the next one because it's after the cross. All right. Sometimes it happens that the candle is so big, let's say this one right here, and it completely touches the stochastic, and then it crosses the stochastic within the same candle. And when that happens, the next one usually is a retraction, you know, to kind of maintain the balance and stuff. And yeah, this one, I don't know, it's not looking good. Can you live every day? Maybe. I'm sending signals every day, so I might just do live streamings every day. What do you think? You guys follow me on Instagram, by the way? You should. Oh, I lost that one too. All right. I'm willing to go to 60 grand, no more than that. So I got one more trade. If I lose the next trade, I go to the next broker. All right. Probably I've missed a lot of opportunities, but it's because I'm live trading, you know. All right, so Euro GBP is actually looking good. He needs to drop more, but it's looking good. This is crazy, so I'm not gonna go into it. No, it's moving too aggressive. Send the link. Oh, to the Instagram is in the description of this video. Market's hard today. Not really. Not really. The thing is that I don't know. I'm not focused on my session when I have a live streaming. That's it. It's not an excuse or anything. But when I'm trading just by myself and not recording or anything, or I just record the screen, but I just leave it alone, obviously I have a lot better results because I'm focused. But right now, no. My Instagram, BLW, Christian BLW official, make sure that you look for the verified profile on Instagram, all right? Because there are a lot of fake out there. Yeah, definitely the live streaming is better. Or you know what? Maybe I'll do live streamings, but only for people in the memberships. You know, there's a button right here that it says join. There you go. Do you see it below the video? It should say join. So I might just go ahead and use that membership thing in order to have live sessions. That would be good. Draw the line for extra confirmation. Oh, you mean for the entry of the candle? Okay. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. Thank you. 1 minute candles. Yeah. Quotex better than Pocket. Honestly, I believe both are really good. I'm trading with Pocket because I have a bigger balance here, so I want to make more money. But again, I started with 69 and I'm willing to go to 60. Less than that, I mean, if I lose the next one, then I'm not going to continue with Pocket. I'm going to switch to broker. I'm going to be here 1 hour. All right. So we got 30 more minutes. That's it. What's the difference between the BLW signals group and the BLW binary? BLW binary master app is for binary options and the signals group is for Forex. That's the difference. My settings are all the same. A charts indicator is the same as yours. Are you looking at OTC? Make sure that it says Euro GBP OTC and it's in Pocket option. Because if it's in another broker, I'm not sure if the OTC is going to be the same. Look, right here, we're going to have a good chance. Shit. Don't worry. I just misclicked something that if I lose it, I'm just going to, you know, I don't know, do a giveaway or something for my earphones or whatever. I misclicked it. All right. That was my mistake. All right. But basically, for those of you who want to understand exactly why I entered this trade was because of this. Do you see it, by the way? Try to zoom it in if possible. I'm not sure if it's possible. Worse if you're looking at it on your phone. But it's after the cross. It's after the cross. Even though it didn't touch the RSI, the cross of the stochastic, when we're looking at an uptrend, if the cross is going up, it's likely to be a winner. And if it's a downtrend and it's crossing down, it's likely to be a downtrend. It's likely to go down. Now, this one obviously didn't comply. And it's still, one thing that you can notice is that if I would have entered, even if it was like a very small green candle, I would have lost it because I entered wrong. So that was my mistake. All right, time to switch my broker. We're gonna recover. What day is it today? Thursday. I might join. I might connect myself tomorrow. Look, if I have at least 25 people in the memberships, awesome. All right. Now it's touching the RSI, by the way, but it's OTC. All right. Let's switch a broker. Let's just look for an opportunity. This one's tricky though. Says, I think Pocket is doing something strange with OTC trading. I don't trust them today. Do you think? Well, not really, because I lost a bunch of positions with the real market. In OTC, I just won one and lost one. I don't think so. It was my mistakes. By the way, I'm also using Binarium, but this broker is so crazy, man. It's so freaking slow. I just hate it like so much. But my money's stuck in there. It's not that much, but you know. Live leaderboard. Which one? For Quotex? I haven't traded today. So I'm at 0. I'm still looking for chances though. Hold on. I don't know, man. This looks tricky. Let me see. It is respecting the RSI, so but it's too close to the 50 as it may. Nah. Hold on. Let me just look for an opportunity or for a pair that can give us an opportunity, and then I'm going to continue with the chat. All right. Payouts are not the best either. Yeah, this one looked good before. I don't have opportunities. Should I go with OTC right here and Quotex? I don't think I've ever traded OTC with Quotex. Nah, I'd rather stay with the real markets with Quotex, if that's okay with you. Sorry for not answering all the questions, all right? My bad. But you already know, I'm checking the market. Look, the only thing that I see remotely possible is this one. But we got to be very, very careful. Today I'm going to be trading with 500 because this is a smaller account. Yeah, I traded with 1,000, but I wasn't live streaming, so I want to make sure I don't lose money for, you know. This does look like a resistance point. Right there, support and resistance, but I'm not sure if the price is going to go all the way down. One prime option broker. No, I haven't really seen it ever. Are days where the strategy doesn't work for some reason? Yeah, but I don't want to switch strategy today. If we have another session, we use another strategy. But today, I want to stick with this one. All right, so this one is looking good for the next candlestick for 1 minute if this candle continues to be this big or even bigger. But if it retracts and it goes back up, then no, we wait for the next red candle and then we enter. I hope that's making sense. Right now it's retracting, you see? It's retracting more. All right, so no, then we wait. We wait because there's a possibility that there's a new red candle going down and then we enter the next candle. If we don't enter the trade because it goes green, that's fine. It's better not to enter than losing the trade, all right? Uh, Euro GBP 1-1 trade. Awesome. What's the best withdrawal option in your opinion? Is either Bitcoin? I honestly use more USDT now. Yesterday you made 4,000 in Codex. Yeah. Did you see the board? It was fun. I haven't even recorded that video. You see right now it went up. That's fine. It's better not to enter than losing a trade. All right. What are the most important key points for binary options? Are you the same person that asked the previous question? Look, right now it would have been a good option, but if this green candle is small or is a very small red candle as well, the next trade will be good, specifically for this. The stochastic is about to cross, and since this is an uptrend, it's very likely. All right, Binance Pay, good. Codex expiry time cannot be switched in real market. Why? I'm switching it right now. It's too big. Don't enter anymore. Well, it's becoming smaller. You already know what I mentioned, right? So you already know if either you should enter or not. I entered, but honestly, I do see that the cross is too far away. But let's see. Codex expiry time cannot be switched in real market. Oh, same question, all right. You check the leaderboard. Good. Big fan. Thank you. How do you set the timeline? Mine is giving me real-time confusion on Codex. What do you mean? Timeline? What do you mean? The scrolling? Or can you refresh the question? Can anyone tell me what was my mistake? Well, I'm not going to wait for you guys to answer. It's 63% payout. I didn't see that. Stupid. Yeah. Patience is the key. True that. Yeah, you're distracted with questions. You should live train and not answer questions. No, it's not fun. I mean, if I'm live streaming, it's because I want to answer your questions. It's okay if I lose a couple of $1,000 and then I'm gonna recover them. All right, one other day that I feel a lot more, confident and stuff. All right, so we started good with Codex. Can you borrow me 300? Nah, you're not gonna pay me back ever. I want you to talk about the HFT bot you posted. Wow, that's a long time, man. And the problem with that is not the robot, it's the funded account companies. They don't accept it. So that's why I decided to stop talking about it. What strategy is this? This is the 1 minute strategy with stochastic, RSI, and moving average following the trend. I do see Euro GBP, GBP USD. Let's see if I have another pair that I can. Well, this one, yeah. I mean, I don't know, man. This one looks. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the 5 minute. All right, it's a strong uptrend, and let's take a look at the 10 minute uptrend too. But it's too strong. There's more likely going to be a change on trends. So we're gonna start with some breakouts in this area. So we're not gonna enter that one. So we're just gonna focus on these 2 pairs. I guess these are the ones, or 3 pairs. We're gonna see which one gives us an option before. Would you have your own signals group with your strategy down the line to pay and join? You can join blwbinarymaster.com. Back to pocket option. I already lost money there. I can't. I shouldn't. I mean, it's not a good example for you guys. You had a question? What are the most important key points? It's the same question. I mean, what key points? You need to learn money management, fundamental, technical analysis, and then the strategies that I share. Please say my name. That sounded weird, man, but Mozam. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Moazem. Sorry if I didn't. Instead of 1 minute, it gives me 22. Oh, okay. So there's a button that says switch time. If you switch it, you're going to realize that it says 1643 for me. So if you click switch time, it's going to turn like this. Okay, this is for Kum Kirang. Does that mean the AFT bot is useless? Can I use it on personal account? Only if the broker allows it, but I don't know any broker that allows it. How do you cash out the USDT? I use some peer-to-peer, P2P on Binance, and they send it to my, local account. How read the charts? That's a very general question. Telegram link. You want to join the Telegram? It's right here. I'm gonna put it in the chat. All right, I'm gonna have to silence anyone who is just copy pasting questions. All right, just distracting other people and myself. What about the 2 minute candle? Which one's better, Pocket or Quotex? Both. The 2 minute, it's right there. You're late. We still have 15 minutes to go. Sri Lanka, how you doing? Yeah, don't worry. I already took it out. If you do it one more time, the copy paste from Sri Lanka, I'm just gonna silence you. All right. Sorry. You're gonna be able to continue to watch the webinar, or you're not gonna be able to chat. Fan from India, how you doing? I already answered. Both are good. I'd rather go with Quotex, but it's just because the platform is faster. That's it. Do you use, you're welcome. Sorry. You were not. Nah, you were in copy trading. Don't worry, Trading Legends. Do you use the moving average like support and resistance? No, I just use it to see the direction. Take a look at GBP USD and also to GBP CAD. Right now it's dropping and Euro GBP is jumping, obviously because it's opposite pairs, right? So we gotta be patient, but I would say at least a couple of more candlesticks or maybe one strong red one will touch this area. One big red one or maybe two will touch this area on GBP CAD. And on Euro GBP, we need just one green candle to get to like this section right here. I'm not saying this is a support level, but this is a consolidation section. So what we're expecting it to do is to actually jump so that it touches this area. Then it starts dropping and the stochastic doing this. That's what we are expecting. All right. Can I start with $6? Yeah. Do you think price action is important? It's super important. It was me. All right, no worries. Minimum deposit is $10 for both brokers. Yeah, but if you only have $6 left, then yeah. What do you mean, Falcao? What is it? Same question about the brokers. Use both of them, man. Can we trade based on the breakout of the moving average 50? Yeah, it's a different strategy. You can do it. But the one that I'm teaching you is a little more accurate and it plays a lot less with your emotions. And it's easier to predict. This one's dropping, so it's not happening. Let's see what happens here. This is the closest. Well, both of them are really close. I think if it drops more, if this one is a red candle, at least on this sides, on the size of this previous one, I think we can enter. So, if not, we just wait for the next red candle and then we enter the next one. All right. Euro USD next 3 candles. Nah. This Euro USD pair kind of screwed me over. This one is the one that looks the closest. So we can enter the next, this candle, like I said. If this one is a red candle, then we can enter the next one. The cool thing about this pair is that if, I'm not saying it's going to happen, but if the RSI gets respected and it starts jumping up, then the stochastic is going to do this. And we're going to have a new entry. Okay? So I hope that actually makes sense. A movie about price action? What do you mean? Do you have a video where you explain this strategy in detail? Yeah, if you actually go to my YouTube channel and then go to live, I have a video that it says best binary option strategies of 2023. It was a stream and it's super, super good. And I teach the best 3 strategies of this year. All right, so we won this one and not this one, but we need 2 conditions to actually be met for us to enter at the cross. Right now, the cross hasn't happened. We need this candle to either be very small red or very small green. Because if it's a big green, it's gonna cross entirely. It's better if it's a small green. If it's a big green or a red, like the one that is happening right now, don't enter. All right. So far, we've won 2 with Codex. We lost all of them with Pocket. Well, I won like 2. 9 seconds. We're gonna see. Let me know if you guys are in when you enter a trade. If you enter the trade with me. All right. It was a small red, and I entered bad. Hopefully, you didn't enter here. Why? Because a small green one would have confirmed the cross. Right now, the cross is not confirmed. So we're going to see if I win this one. I'm 2-1 if I lose this one, so I'm good, but still. Let's see. Would Dog Chain? No, just like this. You blew out your account. Cheer up, man. I'm sorry about that. GBP USD 2 wins. Well, you enter really good. I missed the good entry right there. Because with the cross would have been perfect. But I was focused on just this pair. But it's fine. GBP CAD might still give us a new entry. Even if I lose this one. Because the... Oh, what did I do? Because the RSI hasn't been touched yet. So if it touches, you're going to be good. I lost this one. I don't know why Quotex has this delay now in order to confirm the result of the trade. I don't like that. All right. Let's see the chat. Been subscribed to the channel for I think a little bit over a month now. I've been learning. Thank you. Just watching your live stream, watching how your mind works and how you analyzing things really shows me a lot of how to feel. Awesome, awesome. Do you place a trade when the RSI touches the 50 level? I place it in the next candlestick. Not exactly when it touches. Not in the middle of the candle. I place it on the next candle. All right. Nah, this one, the drop on this one is too strong. And this one didn't cross. That sucks. It usually doesn't happen, but, you know. I won this one. Awesome. My expiration on the candlesticks here's ahead than yours. Yeah, because the YouTube has a delay. Look, if it drops more, this is a red candle, the next one would be a good entry. All right. GBP, you won it. Awesome. What's the biggest profit this month? I was able to make 24 grand on one video, and on the other one I think it was 27,000. And 2 days ago I made like 20 grand, but I didn't record it. I'm getting very tired of recording videos, man. I'm sorry. It's the truth. All right, got 3 more minutes. So this is gonna be the last trade, people. We're gonna enter on the next candle if this candlestick ends up red. Right now it's getting thicker, it's thinner, so I'm not gonna enter here, I guess. Oh, you know what? Yeah, let's go ahead and join this beauty. And so this is gonna be the last trade. Win or lose it, this is gonna be the last one. All right. Just curious, why do you think Codex will perform better than Pocket Option after 3 losses? I think they both perform well, honestly. Call the name of the pairs. We could hardly see the name of the pairs. GBP CAD. If you're looking on your phone, then maybe it's gonna be harder to actually look at. I'm sorry. Next time I will call them out loud. Pocket 2 to 6. My stop. Yeah, better. What's the best way to find the trend change? I would go with the moving average and obviously looking at higher time frames. You know, if you're gonna be trading with 1 minute, try to look for the 5-minute candlesticks to see if the trend is exactly the same. Because sometimes you're gonna see an uptrend on 1 minute and a downtrend in like 5 minutes, so it's not good. This one I already lost it. You guys can enter more. All right, you already know the strategy. So if you haven't placed that many positions, you guys can do so. All right, today wasn't a good day for me, but hopefully you guys learned something new. I'll recover. No questions asked. All right. So people, I'm going to stop the streaming right now. I do hope that you guys had a good time, and more importantly, that you guys learned something new. To me, it's actually super important that when we have streamings just like this one, not only you take advantage by looking at what I'm doing, but also looking at my mistakes, okay? If you were expecting me to have a perfect session where I was not going to lose any money whatsoever, you were looking at the wrong YouTube channel, all right? Here, I'm gonna be making mistakes. And if I continue having sessions just like this one, I'm going to continue making mistakes. I'm gonna be proud of them. And I'm going to continue teaching you the exact same thing, because I'm not a person or a trader who today trades with this strategy and tomorrow we're gonna trade with a different one. That's not what I do. What I do is that I focus towards one specific strategy that I know it works. I master it and then make money with it. And I know for a fact, and it's 100% sure, guaranteed, that some days we're not gonna win with that specific strategy. It's completely normal. You don't have to win all the time. It's actually completely weird that you have a strategy that works out all the time. If you have, I don't know, if you find another YouTuber that says that they have a strategy that is 100% accurate all the time, I don't know, man. I would be kind of skeptical about it. Not because it's not myself, the one who has all the money, but because I believe that we all, in the end, we are all humans, all right? And we can all make mistakes. So, yeah, I think that's going to be it for today. We got 3 more minutes. I'm going to answer 3 more questions, and that's going to be it for today. So let me know. I'm just going to answer questions like starting off right now. After the one that says, it's fine, man, crypto is always like that. I'm not trading crypto, but I do appreciate the support. But yeah, I'm going to answer questions literally right now. Thank you for the likes, by the way. Smash the like button if you haven't. I would appreciate it. And yeah. Once you told us about the 2-minute candle predictions app for the previous video, go to 2minutestrategyapp.com. That's the website. And stop copy pasting, because I'm going to ban you. I made 60 with your strategy. That's awesome, man. Congratulations. Congratulations. How do you identify what? I'm sorry, you said R? Is that resistance? How do I identify what? Just won 7 trades on Codex using your strategy. Good job. Happy for you. Oh, support and resistance. How do you identify it? Well, it depends. First of all, a higher time frame will always give you a better support and resistance. And then try to find the highest point of the previous day and the lowest point of the previous day as well. And that could be a good support and resistance for the day. Okay? And you start from there. I have some videos in regards to this topic. Hopefully you can check them out. Cortex or pocket option, both. Not a good trading day, but better luck for next day. Learning from your videos. Thank you. I won't be available tomorrow in the morning. I gotta be honest. But I think on Monday, Monday no. Tuesday, I'll have a session, I think. You know what? Let me check the news. All right. It all depends on the news. I can even commit right now to you guys. Next week. Monday. Well, Monday we're not gonna have any news according to what we have right now. So Monday around 15 GMT, we can have a session. Is that good for y'all? Is that good for you? Let me know. Would you please trade on my money? Nah. The broker is now happy with your losses. Probably, yeah. Old BLW member, keep up the good work. Thank you. RSI's main or stock's main indicator? Both. Both. And actually super important that you understand why I'm using both, because some people would actually just think that I'm using it just like to get the oversold and overbought, and that's not the case. I teach you on the previous webinar that I had, on the previous live streaming, and even today I told you that is not just about the entry point, and I'm not just looking at for the support and resistance. No, what I'm actually looking at is at the exact moment when the broker, well, not the broker, well, the asset is about to do the turn. We're not just talking about 30-second candlesticks when in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to win it because it's going in that direction. I'm actually looking for the exact entry point. That's a huge, huge difference. Okay. And last but not least, people, before I forget and I go, remember that you can visit BLW Binary Master app and get any plan with us, and you can receive signals every single day with Pablo and Marcel. How many likes do we have? 168. All right. Thank you very much for being in this streaming, people. I really appreciate it. BLW Binary Master app. Go and join. And I'll see you Monday, 15 GMT. Cheers.